Vande Mataram. Today we will start our lesson, the trunk of Ganesha. The trunk of Ganesha was completely about the superstitious thinkings of the image maker god Govinda Maharana. Here you have to collect some of blind beliefs from your grandparents. It is here mentioned. Look at the sentences. Do not sweep after sunset. These are the blind beliefs. Do not cut nails after sunset. Then Hindus believe that cutting nails and hair on Saturdays bring bad luck. Look at these sentences. These are the blind beliefs, not truth. If black cat crosses your path, if a black cat crosses your path, then your task, your movement, your task will be delayed or postponed. We have to notice that if we walk along the path, at the time a black cat suddenly crosses our path, that means that is a bad luck, ill luck. Keeping onions and knives under your bed, where we sleep. Keeping onions and knives under the bed where we sleep will drive away bad dreams. So this is about the story Trunk of Ganesha. Let me start. It was just one of those days when nothing seems to go right for Govinda Maharana. It was one of those days. Govinda Maharana was making idols, images. It was one of those days when nothing seemed. What is seemed? Appears. Here you can put seem means appear. How to? Nothing seems. Nothing appears right for Govinda Maharana. Once again, there was this unhappy incident which kept bothering him. An unhappy incident was there that kept bothering to Govinda Maharana. Bothering means worry. Bothering means, look at this sentence, bothering means worry. Seem means appear. In the first sentence we have to notice that for Govinda Maharana, everything seems wrong at the time. Who was Govinda Maharana? Govinda Maharana was an image maker. For Govinda Maharana, for him as an image maker, everything seems wrong. An unhappy incident kept him bothering, kept him worrying all the time, the whole time. So look at this sentence. At sunrise, he finished his bath in the courtyard and took a glass of tea from his wife's hand. At sunrise, Govinda finished his bath in the courtyard and took the tea glass from his wife's hand. While taking the tea, his fingers got loosened, suddenly slackened. Slackened means loosen. Slackened means loosen. Here, he's got his tea glass got loosened and slipped from his hand. In this sentence, at sunrise, Govinda Maharana finished his bath in the courtyard and took tea from his wife's hand. And his fingers got loosened and the tea glass slipped from his wife's hand. It was the first conscious knowledge. What was the first conscious knowledge? slipping of tea glass was the first conscious knowledge that Govinda Maharana noticed that he had fear. He carried fear. The superstitions, blind belief. The superstition haunted him throughout his life. Why the image broke itself? How it was broken? He thought so many blind beliefs, even though he was unknown about the truth. So that superstition haunted Govinda Maharana throughout his life, entire his life. What is conscious? We have to slip means slide, move, or fell down. Slip means fell down, F-E-L-L, fell down. And your conscious means aware. When did Govinda aware that he had fear? Govinda had aware that he had fear when a tea glass from his hand slipped from his hand on the floor. So, what is superstition? Blind belief. Haunt means hang out or regularly beat. What haunted to Govinda Maharana entire day? What haunted? All the blind beliefs, the reason behind the reason of breaking the trunk. So, here, this day, there was a special reason for his gloomy. Gloomy means sad. Gloomy means sad, ill-lit. This day, there was a special reason for his gloomy, tense manner. Look, gloomy means dark, sad. Gloomy means sad. And tense manner, anxious, unable to relax. No relaxation is there. Unable to relax. He had no relaxation because all the thinkings were haunted to Govinda Maharana. He did not know what the reason was. So this day there was a special reason for his gloomy, tense manner, and for it was the third day in succession. Succession means sequence. For 3 days regularly he found such movements, breaking the trunk. Your succession. What is succession? Look at the meaning. Succession means sequence. In order, we write order, O-R-D-E-R. Sequence means order. So here, after the third day in succession, that such a thing had happened. For in sequence third day in the sequence of third day, Govinda got same condition, same things, so that he was gloomy. He stood gloomily. He stood in a tense manner. Govinda had learnt the trade from his father. Govinda had learned the trade. Trade means that profession, that commerce from his father, as had his father from his father's father. As his father learned from his father, so Govinda learned from his father. The substance, the matter. Substance means matter, material. Here substance means, look at the meaning. Substance means material. Trade means commerce. Then here the substance of the art of idol making, the Durgas, the Ganeshas, the Shivas. These are made by Govinda Maharana. The Durga, the Ganesha, the Shivas.